inconsistent data format as also as one of the inefficiencies of using paper documents in a paper-based organization. And this one usually occurs when the company has both paper and digital documents. So there is that mix-up of there's no set process in aligning this digital and paper formats to, there's no naming convention to make it easy for these documents to be aligned. When does this occur? This occurs when documents are stored in both digital and paper formats. And then it also occurs, the second place where it occurs is when the naming convention is inconsistent. And this happens when each and every department has their own documents and they name their own documents in their own versions. So this creates inconsistency in the whole organization. So why does this happen? This happens when departments create their own naming convention. Each and every department names its files as it finds suitable. So this creates inconsistency in the whole organization. And then also, where again that this happen, where now the documents are stored in both digital and paper format. How does it cause inefficiencies? It causes chaos and disorganization in the organization, where there is no single source of truth. Every document is named in their own way. Search becomes difficult, stressful, and not fulfilling at all. And then another cause of inefficiency is there's a disconnect within the organization. It's one organization, but they are not talking in the same language. There's no single source of truth. So it causes a lot of confusion when it comes to even sharing the document and also having those conversations in the organization as a whole. And this affects the whole organization. So the only way that this can be done is having digital documents in a central repository. And this can only be made easy by having a central repository. And this will enable things to flow. It will reduce the stress of outdated and inconsistent data formats. The digital formats and the paper format can be combined digitally and the naming convention aligned so that the organization can be speaking in the same language.